Welcome to homeadder.com. My name is Neha. Today I am going to take you through the overview of the project Prestige Temple Bells. You are looking into the master plan of the project Prestige Temple Bells. This project is located in Raja Rajeshwari Nagar in the west zone of Bangalore. Main entry of this project is from Raja Rajeshwari Nagar Temple Road. This is Raja Rajeshwari Nagar Temple Road, and here you have the main entrance to this project. This is an ongoing project developed by Prestige Constructions. This premium residential development is spread over 13.5 acres of land. It has got 75% of open space. This project has got approvals from BBMP, BDA and several leading banks. There are total number of 968 apartments in this project with unit types 1, 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK. Apartments are spread over 9 towers. These are the towers: tower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Towers 1 to 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 has got 2 basement and G plus 19 floors, whereas tower 8 and 9 has got steel plus 14 floors. Each tower has got 6 units on each floor and has got 2 lifts. This project has one clubhouse here of 50,000 square feet. Also, there are 2 swimming pools in this project. This is the adult swimming pool, and here you have beside the adults pool the kids pool. The possession of this project will start by the mid of the year 2018. Thanks for watching my videos. For more videos, you can always log on to www.homeadder.com.